Hi everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create realistic AI-generated voices using Wellsaid Labs. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.wellsaidlabs.com. Log in with your credentials or create an account if you don't have one. Enter your personal information and confirm your email. Note that you will need to get a subscription as the free version doesn't allow you to download files. Once you've subscribed, you'll be taken to the Wellsaid Labs dashboard. To start creating a voice, click on Project on the dashboard. You can preview different voices to find the one that best matches your project.
This week, on Sky News, we'll speak to the Prime Minister and her...
Good day, everyone. Thank you for being here. My name is Greg, and
Today, senators from Louisiana sponsored a bill for a permanent Mardi Gras.
Long ago, before there were kings, dragons ruled the land.
Julio sat astride his horse, the sunlight glinting off his spurs. He didn't like the look of it.
In this algebraic equation, we're going to solve for x.
There's no risk to try. Simply enter the code LYRIC at checkout for a money-back guarantee.
Choose a voice that suits your needs by selecting from the voice menu. You will be presented with a text box where you can enter the script you want to convert into speech. Type or paste your script into the text box. Click the Generate button. Wellsaid Labs will process your request and create an audio file with the AI-generated voice reading your script. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're satisfied with the voice, you can download the audio file by clicking the Download button. You can choose from different file formats depending on your requirements. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to create realistic AI-generated voices using Wellsaid Labs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And for more how-to videos, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy creating with Wellsaid Labs.